Assalamualaikum. Hope you are fine. Today I shall start lesson number 3. Our topic is my toys. मेरे खिलौने. Let's start. There are 3 characters in this lesson. There is a mother. Here is a girl named Asma and he is a boy. Asma is looking sad. Mama says, "Why are you so sad, Asma?" Asma, तुम इतनी उदास क्यों हो? Asma replies, "Mama, I have only one toy to play." अम्मी, मेरे पास खेलने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही खिलौना है. Here Asma and her brother are sitting together. He says to her, "Don't worry, Asma, I will share my toys with you." कोई बात नहीं अस्मा, मैं अपने खिलौने तुम्हारे साथ बांटूंगा. They are playing now. Brother says, "Which is your favorite toy?" Asma replies, "Teddy bear." Now Asma says to him, "Which is your favorite toy?" He replies, "Aeroplane." Dear student, sharing is a good thing. You should share your things and toys with your friends and other family members. I hope you are understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.